The Vegas shoot-off has always been very unique because it's not individual head-to-head, it's group head-to-head. And we've averaged between 10 and 18 competitors, and we're talking specifically about the male compound unlimited, which we refer to as the pro archers. The competition gets very tough at that, but it's end-by-end competition until the last archer is standing. So they all have a chance, which is kind of the neat part of the Vegas shoot-off. One of the things that obviously makes the Vegas shoot what it is, other than our customers, the shooters, are the sponsors in the trade show. We have major sponsors from all the archery manufacturers and other entities, and our trade show has become a huge event for all the customers, all the shooters from all over the world to see the best products. And that's just another part of making Vegas what it is.
This is an event I've been coming to for 50 years. Started in 1966 and shot every one of them. My best memory is the year that I won it, okay? That was in 1974. I was the last guy to win it with a recurve bow, first guy to win it on the 10-ring face, and we only shot at a single spot face at that time. And I'm the only guy that I know of that's ever won this tournament with custom crested arrows. I'm 75 now, so I'm in really good health, and as long as I can pull a bow and arrow back, I'll be here.
Now, for me, is one of my dream, because winning the Vegas was something that I was waiting for the first year. I come here the first time in 2006, and I make my first 900, and seems not so hard to do. Then I start to think what means win Vegas, and then the pressure start to become a little higher. Then the lucky dog, I shot the lucky dog very easy, very happy, because the inside out with a 27, you cannot aim that, you have just to shot relaxing. I take the first one, then I take the second one, I take a little time to take the third one, but when I arrive here, I have only to win, nothing more, because the other shooters are top shooters. So I was very surprised when I see so many nines on the shot. They say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe mine. So I'm very excited. Also here in US, in front of all the companies, all the friends, all these people that was here to see me, was in the 50th edition. It was amazing.
It's awesome. It was the first time that I was back in the gold medal match at the Indoor World Cup final, and I wanted to win it. I've been shooting good all year. Really felt like I should have won Nîmes too, but you know, I'm shooting good. I shot well this weekend, and now I'm just getting ready for Indoor Worlds. I'm looking to win that one. It's one of my 3 I need to win, so yeah, just looking forward to that one now, and I'm happy I won this weekend and just, you know, continue to go into Worlds.
always good shooting against, you know, a good competitor like Rio. He's very competitive, as are a bunch of the top guys. So, I mean, you can't relax at all. I mean, you're always striving for a 150, a perfect score, because you know that those guys are going to make a few mistakes. So, you know, you just try to focus on your shot and try to shoot the best you can, and try to ignore, you know, all the spotlights and, you know, everything else that's going on around you, and focus on the target.